everyone. So I hope you all are doing great. Well, winter has finally arrived and it's the time where your skin starts to become more dry, dull and whatnot. And my skin is extremely dry. No matter what face wash I use, what face pack I use, it tends to become more dry. Recently, I have been using this Herbal Face Pack from HerbalHome India. It's a very natural face pack which has saffron, sandalwood powder, natural and herbal products. It's a face pack which can be mixed with either milk or rose water, and it is applied as a thin layer on your skin. Generally, face packs are applied as thick layer and it tends to get more dull and dry because of the thick layer. It takes time to get absorbed by your skin, but this face pack can be applied as a thin layer so that it easily gets absorbed by the skin. Well, I mixed it with rose water and I applied it all over my skin except my eyes and my lips. I kept it for 15 to 20 minutes and then I washed it off with lukewarm water. After washing my face, the glow which I noticed on my skin was mesmerizing because I have a very dull skin, very dry skin. So after using this face pack, my skin started to glow, and I also want to show you guys the application of this product. So let's get into the video.